You guys by the sea now, and this is a sea view. Beautiful day. Show you guys sea view. There's a ship there, speedboat around there. It goes all the way down there. That's a cliff where people use the cliff. Beautiful. And that is lifeguards is over there. All beautiful way. People having a good time here. As you can see, everybody's having a good time here. But I have to take it this way. So beautiful. As you can see, the sky is blue. See, the sky is blue. You can see the boats there. That's the ship, and it goes all the way by the cliffs over there, dragging. Beautiful. It's a quiet area today, Saturday. See how the cliff, the sun was going up and the one is going down. That's the fisherman's cliffs. Right. Up and down, up and down. You can see very slow. Beautiful. Very relaxing, enjoying, have a good time. It's a lovely weather. The sun is shining. Beautiful. See? So the ship is there. Relaxing. Other speedboats going over there. It's a beautiful place. Come relax. It's a little park. Come, people come on the sun, relax and getting vitamin D. We need this vitamin D. I remember I went and visited the GP, and the GP, as a black man, the GP told me I lack vitamin D deficiency. I said, what? I thought we have the melanin of black, get the vitamin D. Unfortunately, when you walk in, going to the car, there is no sun. So you have to keep on taking supplements, vitamin D supplements. You know, it's a beautiful place. This is my neighborhood, guys. I will just show you how lively it is here, and people are just enjoying. You can see how the people are enjoying this. Can you see? Having a good time because of the sun. It's beautiful. It's clear. Going all the way. Guys, you can see the sea. Sea level is there. The sky is blue. So the beach is a little bit quiet, isn't it? It's beautiful.
We didn't even really walk to with Joey and Sienna, and that was 10 years ago.
Do you see there? That's blue. See the beach where everybody goes through. Go through here. It's a beautiful view. People are enjoying. Water is stable. Look at the cliff. That's a pool arbor is there. So the sky, beautiful sky. Sky is blue. Sunset. Lovely weather today. You can see. Can just make 3 videos today. Then later we're going to do live. So that's it. To be a great YouTube content, it's not easy. It's a lot of effort you have to put. I hope YouTube recognize me. It's a beautiful day today. Saturday. Today is warm. And we need the sun. Been a while we don't get the sun. Such a lovely weather. You know, we have to absorb this weather. The body needs this weather, these types of weather. Instead of just be at home, sitting there, taking popcorn, drinking, just watching TV. I don't like to be indoors. I like to come outside. The body needs sun, be outside, so that the blood flow. We both there. It's beautiful sun. You can see even the seaside here. There's a boat there. There's a boat over there. So it's a beautiful sea view. Anytime I walk this pathway, I always admire this tree. It's a beautiful tree. I don't know how long it has been here. I guess it's over 1,000 years. It's been walking here. Beautiful tree. This tree come there. So that's the sea view. Alright guys, the wind blows. You know?
People had a bucket, but they threw it out in the street.
The trees here. It's a beautiful sea view. A nice tree here. This is another way going to the seaside here. We have to go through this way. You see this tree? Gorgeous tree. Very gorgeous tree. Can even drag it this way. Very gorgeous tree.
Yes, just go back from where the trees.
Very gorgeous tree, you know?
She decided not to. What? That's tiny.
Okay, walk through this. This guy is struggling with his bicycle. It's good for him. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, please like, make a comment, share. Signature 5949. Guys, and you guys don't forget the supercharge. Sometimes you need to support your guy. You can always support people. I don't know if it's a pop. So going home now. You know, the weather is beautiful today. Indeed, so beautiful. Let me get a shortcut here. Go through the steps here. It's a busy road. Let me go through this busy road. What a nice residential area. It's a private property. Beautiful. Oh, this is in summertime, spring, summertime. People rent for just 3 or 6 months because it's close to the sea. But it's quite expensive place. You can see, busy place. You know. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, please like, share, make a comment to this channel. Signature 5949. And happy Saturday, and God bless you guys, everyone watching this one. Thanks for watching my channel. God bless. Bye bye for now.